I think innately as like business owners and entrepreneurs, we want to take on everything. You know, we like to wear all the hats, and we feel like, well, why would I spend these dollars over here when I can just do it on my own? And but then what I find is it diverts away from what my focus is as a business owner and a practitioner is my team and my patients, right? So that's my job, is to make sure all that is running and doing what it needs to do. And if I dabble in things that I don't really know, it's taking away my energy from that. Also, you know, the days that I'm not seeing patients, I want to be with my family. I want to be, you know, recovering. I want to be, you know, focusing on other things. And I think that having again that agency, that person that knows the market. And the other thing is technology, man. It changes so much, so
Yep.
fast. The algorithms change and the rules change and all these things. So if you're not up on that, you're gonna miss so many things on the ads. And so but I think as a business owner too, we're looking at dollars. And so we're like, man, I don't want to spend this money for this other person to do this when I can do it myself. But in the long run, you're going to waste way more money than if you hire a good company to support you in that way. I think it's so important.